Hello everyone, my name is Xin Lương Him. I'm a teacher at the ISPC school. Today I'm very happy to stay here and interview my student. Hello.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Yes, good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Sang Jing Fong.
And how old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Yeah. Where do you study?
I study at the SBC school.
What grade do you study?
I study in primary 2.
Good. Today, what do you want to tell?
I want to talk about food supply and vitamin.
Okay, let's start now.
Everyone needs food to live. It gives you energy to work and play. It also gives you nutrients to grow well and stay healthy. Do you eat a balanced diet with a lot of different nutrients? Your body needs protein to build muscle. Protein are also important for hair and fingernails. You can get a lot of protein from meat, fish, and egg. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt also contain protein. Many people don't eat animal products, but they can get protein from plant products. Pulses like beans and lentils are rich in protein. Many grains, nuts, and seeds has protein too. Which of these food do you eat? Your body needs vitamin to stay healthy and fight diseases. Vitamin A keeps your skin healthy. You can get a lot of vitamin A from orange fruit and vegetables like carrot or pumpkin. Dairy products give you vitamin B from healthy food. You can get also vitamin B from meat, fish, and egg. Vitamin C helps your body fight diseases. You can get vitamin C from citrus fruit like lemon or an orange.
Good job. Thank you for your sharing today.
Thank you to my teacher.
Yes, thank you, Jin Fong. Goodbye, Jin Fong.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for listening and watching this video. Goodbye.